Next, take a red color paper cup, cut it from the top. Now make the small frills out of it by cutting it like this. Now flatten it and then roll it using a stick or a pen like this. Make the curls as shown in the video. Now stick the eyes in the between. Now we will take a green color paper and cut out the leaf from it. Now make it stem and leaf and your flower is ready. Next we will take these straws and join them like this. Make 2 strands and stick it on the straws like this. Now put a red color small piece of straw on top of it. Now fix the wooden sticks inside the straws like this. Now take another stick and join them as shown in the video. Now again we will put the small straws into it and fix the wooden sticks like this. Fix them all together using the glue gun. Now put a small teddy bear in the between and your swing is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we will use these items to make the next craft. First we will take the brown sheet and make the holes in it. Now join both the papers together like this. Fold it as we are folding. After we are done with the folding, we will make the box out of it, stand it and paste it from the sides using the sellotape. After we are done with it, we will put a paper cup in the hole. Now take the ice cream sticks and paste it on both the sides like this. Now put a small stick in the holes. Now apply the glue gun on both the sides. Now we will take a straw, cut it out and paste it on the one end like this. Now we will take a plastic small cup and put the jute thread in it like this. Tie it and fix it on the stick. Now fill the paper cup with the water and pull out the water using the cup and your well and the bucket is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a purple paper and roll it around a cylindrical object like this. Now we will take a paper and make the footprints on it like this. Cut it out, make 2 pieces of it. Now take a wooden stick and stick it to the cylindrical object as we are doing. Now take the footprints and apply the glue on it and stick the straw over it like this. Now fix it on the sticks and your toy is ready. Thanks for watching.